Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
All right, a nice summer night in the works. Temperatures still 60s to even lower 70s. Take a look at the live pictures from downtown Providence under mainly clear skies. Temperatures still very mild after topping out well into the 80s this afternoon. We're at 69 right now. Some locations in the lower 70s on a south-southwest breeze at 11. Humidity is creeping up, so with a light southerly breeze, high humidity, we may see a little patchy fog overnight early tomorrow morning, especially near the water in the South Shore. Other than some patchy clouds streaming through, it's fairly quiet all across New England. Watching a system off the southeast coast with obvious interest here. Hurricane Center has declared this mass of clouds as a tropical depression and more than likely the next tropical storm, which will impact the Carolina coastline over the holiday weekend. The problem here, we're not getting a tropical storm, but the problem here is that some of this remnant moisture is going to try to stream up the coastline, and the timing on that, unfortunately, is on Monday. We were talking about this last night as well, so we'll still keep the chance for some showers in the forecast for Monday, perhaps even some downpours as well. Here's tropical depression number 2 with winds of 35 miles per hour drifting north-northwest, and expected to be a minimal tropical storm making impact on the Carolina coastline over the weekend and then weakening near Hatteras next week. But again, some of this moisture, remnant moisture, is going to try to head up the coastline for Monday, actually late Sunday night into Monday. Let me show you the temperature breakdown for tonight and tomorrow. Another warm day coming up. We're 60s overnight. Just watch the clock right up in here. 7 o'clock in the morning at 71. So when you wake up at 7 a.m. at 71, you know you've got a warm day on the way. In fact, watch the orange areas inland, topping out mid and upper 80s. We're talking 85, 88 degrees. This little thin green line along the coastline, that's your sea breeze at the beaches. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, temperatures in the 70s. And then by 5, 6 o'clock in the evening, we are still warm, 80s inland, and then upper 60s right along the water's edge at the beaches. And then tomorrow night, Saturday night, we are warm and humid with temperatures 60s and 70s. So early morning clouds and fog will quickly give way to some sunshine. Temperatures warming through the 70s on a southwest breeze at 10 to 15. And then for tomorrow afternoon, certainly the feel of summer, especially away from the coastline with your temperatures well into the 80s. You get heat, you get humidity, sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes the risk of an isolated thunderstorm. So very late in the afternoon, especially northern suburbs, say north and west of Providence, some spots may get a little 10-minute downpour or an isolated thunderstorm. It's more the exception rather than the rule. This is more or less interruption kind of stuff and not something where you're going to cancel your outdoor activities for your Saturday afternoon. So again, I would say after 4 o'clock late in the day tomorrow afternoon, keep an eye to the northern sky. 1 or 2 spots may see that. Now on Sunday, it's a warm day, not as warm as Saturday. Temperatures upper 70s to lower 80s with partly sunny skies, and then the rain working in the showers later Sunday night into Monday. Cooler on Monday, temperature at 75, very humid. Again, the beaches are looking okay tomorrow. Give it time. It may take until, say, 9 o'clock in the morning for some of the low clouds and fog to burn off, but sunshine, air temperature 70. Water temperature has been getting up there. It's been warming a little bit now. It's close to 60. I don't know, Shannon, if you're going to jump in at 60 degrees yet. You're going to wait a while?
Probably not.
And then during the late afternoon, the sea breeze kicks in and knocks the temperature back down. So the warmest part of our upcoming weekend is clearly Saturday and Sunday. We are mild and humid on Memorial Day and Monday, and unfortunately these showers will extend into Monday afternoon, at times even some heavy downpours.
Sometimes it's about just tiptoeing into the water and letting the numbness set in, and then you get used to it.
There you go. In fact, on our camera today, I saw a lot of people in the water.
There were a lot of people in the water.
Today.
You get hot enough, you just go in.
That's it.
All right, Tony, thanks.